Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by protecting the original, duplicate the background layer right away, so mistakes remain reversible. Next, make a quick selection around the text with lasso or rectangular marquee. You do not need pixel-perfect edges yet. Once done, try Edit Content-Aware Fill or use the Spot Healing Brush for small words. These options analyze nearby pixels and paint plausible fills. Make sure to work on the duplicated layer, and keep the Move tool handy to reposition if you need to expand the selection. Once Content Aware has done the rough work, refine imperfections with the clone stamp and healing brush. You, the operator, decide where detail must be preserved. Alt-click to sample a clean area, then paint with a soft brush at 50–80% hardness. This prevents sharp clone edges. Use the patch tool for large or mismatched regions. Select the problem area, drag to a clean sample, and let Photopea blend. Make sure to vary opacity and sampling points so textures, grain, and lighting remain natural. You finish by zooming in to 100% and scanning edges for repeating patterns or visible seams. Correct those with small, careful brush and healing strokes. When satisfied, save a layered PSD so you can revisit corrections, then export as PNG or JPG using quality settings that avoid compression artifacts. If you spot obvious seams, rewind a step, reduce clone stamp opacity, change sampling points, or use a lower feather on selections. Often a subtle resample and a few light passes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.